What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. I'm in Pattaya, Thailand on a secret island. I'm just playing, it's not a secret. But this island is only about 15-minute speedboat ride from Pattaya, Thailand. And once you get here, you can rent a motorbike and explore the whole island, check out all the awesome beaches. And thanks to you guys is why I know about this beach and this island. I didn't know anything about this. So together today, we are going to explore this island on this motorbike that you rent for 200 baht. That's pretty good for the whole day. Then we're gonna catch our boat later, maybe about like 5 p.m. But I heard these beaches are beautiful. Let's go. I'm just playing. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we're now on the pier, and now we have two options. We can take a ferry, which is gonna cost, I don't know the price. The ferry is cheaper, but it is about a 40-minute ride from what I've heard. Or you have the speedboat option, which you can get for about 250 baht to 300 baht for a round trip and 150 for a one-way. So we're gonna go ahead and probably do the speedboat so we can get there in a 15-minute trip. I don't mind 40 minutes, but let's just see what the speedboat is like. They look like they're packed in there. Let's see our options. Let's find out which one we can go to. Guys, so now we're just waiting on the speedboat. I got my ticket for on the way back. So this particular one, you see in the yellow shirts, so this only costs 200 baht for a round trip. So it beats going up there at the front where they have signs, and it's like 300 baht. So if you're a little patient, you walk down here, you save a little bit of money. And I think paying 200 baht is worth it, you know, like for the time you save. So here we go, guys. We're gonna hop on this boat. And then later when I come back, I'll just find the person and give them this ticket. All right, guys, so we have arrived at the island. Very simple to get here, quick boat ride. I don't know what they were just saying because I don't speak Thai. So anyway, I think I'll catch the boat back around 2 p.m. But now we're just gonna explore this island for a little bit, find the beaches. And I also gotta figure out the name of this island because like I said, I really don't know. I'm gonna run from there, I'll be back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them up on that offer. Not yet, never mind. Huh? 200 baht, right? 200 baht?
Yeah, include gasoline.
But is that one yours too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back. I have to get more cash because all I have is 100 baht. I'll go to ATM.
Yeah, okay.
All right, guys, I'm going to ATM to get some cash. So he has 200 baht. So I'm gonna take him up on his offer and get this yellow one. The ATM is kind of busy right now. Let's go, let's do it. 200 baht?
Yeah, okay. You have ID card?
Yes.
One ID card for me. We're
gonna rent the yellow bike.
Yellow bike, yellow shirt.
Yeah, yellow.
Okay.
Guys, so currently we're whipping the motorbike. As you guys can see, 200 baht. So what I've learned about Thailand is when you first get somewhere, so say when you first get the pier, when that area, the people up front are gonna try to get more money from you. If you keep going is when the prices get lower. So at the pier, I would have paid 300 baht for a round trip if I would have bought it early. If you wait and go there, 200 baht. Here, they try to sell you a bike for rent a bike for 300 baht. If you walk a little bit, 200 baht. So my advice, guys, is I think when you first get somewhere, is like they try to get, you know, more money for like tourists. And if you keep going and kind of just, you know, go out a little further, you get better prices. So a little tip for you guys, you come to Thailand. But let's explore this island. There is Pattaya. See, the water is a lot clearer over here. Unfortunately, it looks like it might rain soon. You guys can see the clouds coming in. So I don't think the weather's gonna be great today. Hopefully the rain holds off, but right now it's not the most like beautiful, but this water is very pretty. I just realized one of the things I should have did was I should have taken a picture and video of the bike because I don't know if they have any scams around here where they try to blame damage on you. So that part I did not do. So we'll see. Something in my soul tells me that they might try to blame some damage. So I'm gonna go ahead and take videos now before. Unfortunately, I think our trip might get turned a little sour. The weather is starting to get a little ugly, so probably gonna go find a restaurant to chill at. But it's not looking too good right now. So we're gonna ride around for a little bit more, but I think the rain is about to come in on us, and who knows how long it's gonna rain for. this is the island. I mean, pretty beautiful. I just wish the sun was out right now so we could really, you know, enjoy the scenery. But I think eventually the sun will come out soon, hopefully. I'd rather just get it over with, rather it rain. We could just move on with life right now. As you guys can see below, they got jet skis and boat rides and restaurants. We'll probably find us something to eat very soon, like I mentioned before. But right now I'm kind of just exploring and see, you know, kind of see what's out there, and then we'll eventually get some food.
You want? I have jet ski, banana boat, sea walking, paragliding.
How much is a jet ski?
One queen. Here you look.
The weather might not be beautiful right now, guys, but the water still is. And I want to show you guys what just a 15-minute boat ride from Pattaya Beach can get you. Way more beautiful beaches. As you guys can see down here, we have street food, beautiful beaches, shops. Huh? No, I have one. I have one. Looks like the sun might be starting to come out, so hopefully, you know, it'll peek through and it'll have a nicer day. I have a few hours here left. It's 12. I'm gonna leave at 5 o'clock so I don't miss my boat. But right now we got some street food. I got this grilled chicken, which I probably won't eat because once I ordered it, I seen a bunch of flies around, and you know, I'm US, so I ain't really down with all them flies. So this chicken, unfortunately, is gonna go to waste. But we have some fried rice. Here we go. We got some chicken fried rice. Right on the beach. Nice crystal clear water. The only thing missing is like the sun being out right now. But this is definitely an island I'll come back to. And I might come back here tomorrow with some people. And then hopefully tomorrow it doesn't rain. I can enjoy a nice, beautiful day here at the beach. I recognize that here in Thailand, cucumbers come with the food a lot. Not sure why. If you guys know, let me know in the comments of this video. Why do cucumbers come with food here? Because it never happens in the US. Let's dig in. Good stuff. So this fried rice here at this beach costs 100 baht. A little more pricier than the street food that you'll get at other places, but you know, it's expected in more of a touristy area. And I wouldn't say it's not super touristy because it's not. I don't see many foreigners out here, but it's more of a popular area. So where there's more people, of course, he raised the price, supply and demand. 100 baht, still very reasonable, so who's complaining? I'm getting a watermelon smoothie for 50 baht here at this little stand by the beach. She's making it for me right now. A 50 baht watermelon smoothie. Y'all wanna know something? Before coming to Thailand, I had never had a coconut smoothie or a watermelon smoothie, and I'm questioning what have I been missing out on my whole life, because a watermelon smoothie is very delicious and so is a coconut smoothie. No thank you. Two of my favorite things now. But enjoying this nice smoothie for 50 baht here on the beach. Once again, thank you guys for leaving me recommendations. If you guys have any more recommendations for places us to check out that not many tourists know about, please let me know, because I had no idea about this beautiful island and beach before you guys told me. I just, you know, I knew about Pattaya and their beaches, but I didn't know that 15 minutes away that you got this nice, beautiful paradise. And luckily the sun looks like it's starting to come out now. So maybe we'll get to enjoy the rest of the day, the hours I have left here with the sunlight out, and which will help us, you know, for a nicer video and a nicer day. So as of right now, we don't have any rain. So I'm just gonna walk around, get in the water for a little bit. The water feels good. The sand here is nice. The beach is nice. So if you guys come to Pattaya, don't come to Pattaya without coming to this island. I mean, I highly recommend it because it's super like cheap to get here. Like I said, 200 baht motor speedboat, and then you can rent that bike for 200 baht, explore the island for hours. I think the boat leaves at 5, so you know, you get here early, you have the whole day ahead of yourself, and you get to see something that not many tourists see because they don't know about it. So 100% check it out. I'm about to get on a jet ski for 800 baht. I'm super excited. This is the best price. So I'm about to, excuse me, I'm about to ride. It's about to be so fun. I love jet skis. Guys, so 800 baht is the best price I've heard for riding jet skis. I mean, that's pretty freaking crazy. So yeah, this is I'm having a great time right now. 30 minutes for 800 baht. Sheesh, what a deal. I hope it's no trap. Fingers crossed it's no trap. But it was like, if you damage it, it's 4,000 baht. So I ain't hitting nothing, so we should be good. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hit nothing. But yeah, having a great time right now. I'm about to hit this water some more. I'm trying to get you guys some footage, but I don't have like a water camera, so I have my phone in this case, and I try to record some while I'm riding. But guys, come out to this island. You'll have a great time. What day is it anyway? I might have to make some merch called What Day Is It Anyway? Y'all want that? Let me know in the comments. That was the best 30 minutes. That was so dope. The adrenaline rush you get from riding a jet ski, man, it's never a bad time riding a jet ski. So great time. I'm so glad that it stopped raining. Now I just gotta go get this cash for them and pay them this 800 baht. Completely worth it, completely worth it. So just went and got the money at the ATM to pay them, which is crazy. Like, that doesn't happen anywhere else. They let me ride and then trust me to come back to pay the money for riding the jet ski. So dope opportunity. Amazing time. Thailand. So I figured out the secret in Thailand is never pay the first price. Never pay the first price. Just, you know, tell them no, no thank you. Keep walking. Anyone at the front of something is gonna charge you the most. So anyone up top, they're gonna charge you the first price. You walk on the beach, you get better price. So that's a little secret. You guys come here, will save you some money. Even though you might pay the price up front, still, if you're coming from the US, it's still a good price. But you're gonna do Thailand, do it right. So keep walking, no matter everything. Motorbike price, food, jet skis. So they have the best prices so far that I've heard. I don't need anything cheaper than 800 baht. I mean, that's like $20 or something like that. I don't know. Super cheap. Great time. 100% worth it. Tell you what, I fall more and more in love with this country every single day. I mean, this is like a beautiful journey of, like, you know, discovering Thailand, and like I still have so much more to see. But oh man, I love it here. Shout out to Thailand. It's all love. Restaurant, got the view of the city, so you can see Pattaya City right over across the water. And we are going to try something different today, so help me out, guys. Obviously you can't, but I'm going to look at this menu and I'm going to get something I've never had before, because I'm tired of sticking with the basics. So let's see if we can get it. I like it. That's a pretty tasty dish. Alright guys, ending the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget, if you come to Pattaya, make sure you add that island Koh Larn. I hope I said it right, to your itinerary. But yeah, it was much fun. I'm tired now. Time to go home and shower and rest. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next video. Peace out.